Hey, what's going on? This is Miniature Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial on changing the menu, reordering or filtering the menu. This is a new change that was added. I think it was either near Christmas or near New Year's. A lot of changes were added. Look at the mix-up Discord to see what those changes are. But one of the, in my opinion, kind of big quality of life changes is being able to reorder the menu however you want. I'll talk about that in a second, but before I talk about that, if you like these videos, these mix-up tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you want to talk with me about Twitch, mix-it-up gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. Okay, so we are on version 1.6. Okay, oh, there's a notification thing. What is this? Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that this was a thing. Since when did we have notifications? Oh, okay, since December. They just added this. Okay, that's cool. Didn't know that was there. Okay. But anyway, let's talk about the menu. Okay, so everybody has certain parts of the menu they use more than others. And so you want those to be at the very top, whichever you use the most. So for me, like, I use the commands the most. I don't really use channel. I use chat a lot. Events, overlay widgets, channel points, currency, should be moving that up. And there's a lot of stuff here that I don't use at all. So I can afford to just actually remove some of these items from the menu. And if you ever want to add them back again, you can. But let's talk about that. So first, how do you reorganize the menu? So first of all, again, make sure you're on version 1.6. Then after that, click on the pencil in the bottom left corner. And it's just simply drag and drop. So I use currency quite a bit, so I'm going to move that up. I'll move that below overlay widgets. What else do I use? I use users sometimes. We'll move that up. Actually, we'll move that below Twitch channel points. And I've already moved everything else, to be honest. I don't really use channel. I'm gonna move that down, actually. Channels to, like, update your title and category and all that stuff. I just use the Twitch info inside OBS to do that, so that doesn't really have a use for me. And yeah, so that's how you reorganize things. It's pretty simple. And then we save it. Okay. Now, this is a very long menu, and there are probably things here that you don't really use. Okay. So for me, for example, I don't use game queue. I don't use games. I don't use stream pass. I don't use redemption store. I don't use stream loot cards. I don't use trovo spells. So for me, I would hide all of those things. So, oh, command history, don't really use that either, although that could be useful. So I'll hide this. I will hide this. I'll hide this. I'll hide this. I'll hide. Don't use release crowd control. I'll hide that. I'll hide that. I'll hide that. I'll hide that. Anything else I want to hide? For now, we'll leave it at that. You know what? Yeah, sure. We'll hide command history as well. Webhooks, don't really use that. Okay, so we'll save that. And you know what's great about that? Now my menu fits all on one, like, page. I don't have to scroll down to see the rest of the menu. So that's an advantage of hiding menu items that you don't use. So that's very nice. And if you're ever like, oh, I don't know what those do, I want to know what those do. Well, click on the pencil. You'll see which ones are disabled. Re-enable it so you can see what it does. We'll save first, and then after you check it, you can save it and check out what it does. But for me, I don't really see an immediate use for those, so I'm hiding those. And now, as a result, everything I need to see is on one screen. On one, like, I don't have to scroll down for it. And yeah, that's a quick rundown of how to take advantage of being able to edit the menu, reorganizing the menu for whatever matters most to you, and also hiding menu items that you'd never really use, so that it's easier for you to find things in your menu. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, mix-up gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. All right, thanks. See ya.